First thing first, we should get to know the basic things that we would need for a balloon decoration. And it's important to know balloons' different sizes and models. Let's start by introducing balloon kits and tools that are required for a balloon decoration. First and foremost, we need a balloon inflator pump. You can find a wide variety of pumps in markets. You can buy one depending on your budget. We have a dual nozzle 700 watts electric balloon inflator pump right here. As you see, it has two nozzles. By pushing either of these nozzles, the pump starts inflating. Inflate balloons by pushing nozzles down. Two small-sized nozzles included allow you to blow up the small and thin balloons. By putting a small nozzle on the main nozzle, you can inflate small balloons like 6-inch balloons. As I said before, there are different pumps in markets. Some of them have counter controller. It allows you to know the number of inflated balloons. So you don't need to count it yourself. Also, there are some pumps with sizer. It means you can blow same size balloons. Although it speeds up the inflating, that would cost a huge amount of money. And its disadvantages when you set the sizer into a different size. Then you tie the balloons immediately, which makes them less durable. But when you use balloon sizer box, which I'm going to show it later, since you downsize the balloons, it takes that elasticity and makes them much durable. The next kit is a balloon hand pump. Balloon hand pumps are in different sizes and models. I suggest you to get this type of pump because of durability. It starts to pump air by pushing it down and up. You mostly use it to inflate small and 2/60 balloons. The next important kit is the string. The strings should not be too strong to pop the balloons. Thick strings like cotton yarn or polyester are nice and appropriate for balloon decorating. You can also use a thread, however, you should cut that off with a heat to avoid spraying. By the way, it's made of silk. The next kit is fishing line with different sizes. Mine is 0.6 millimeters. The thinner is 0.4 millimeters and the thicker one is 0.9 millimeters. If you ask me, 0.6 millimeter is the best one. Sometimes we need to use scotch tape during decorating, and also we need to use scissors to cut strings and balloons. Our scissors should have a blunt tip because sometimes we have to use it inside our balloons. This type is mostly used by kids because of its blunt tip. We can also use a balloon cutter to cut ribbons. You can easily put it on your pocket or belt. The next kit is glow dot tape. As you can see, it's a sticky and double-sided dot. Next one is self-adhesive cable tie mount. By peeling off its protective backing, you can put a string right through its hole and stick it to everywhere you want. You definitely need this, a stable gun. As you see, it has a magazine. Sometimes it helps us a lot during the work. It works like this. We will need regulators to inflate balloons with helium. It has a hose for convenience. This side is connected to the helium tank. By this spray gun, you can fill 4 balloons with helium. Also, we can use this part for general helium balloon filling. It releases helium gas by pushing it down. Another type of regulator is known as 60-40 helium air. At the same, the balloon inflates with helium. Air through the air intake holes on the nozzle goes inside the balloon. It saves up to 40% on helium content. This method reduces flight time of balloon. One of the most important kits in balloon decorating is balloon sizer. Sizers make our decoration look more beautiful and professional. Sizers are made into different shapes. This one is box cube and is made of wood. You can build one with cotton or wood on your own. you can see, our sizer has 6 sides with various holes. You can put the balloon right through these holes, so balloons will be in the same sizes. For balloon decorating, we need high quality balloons. As you already know, there are a wide variety of balloons with various qualities. Obviously, high quality balloons are costly, but I suggest you to always use high quality balloons. I'm going to talk about the types of balloons. Balloons are generally made of latex. Here we have 5 inches balloons. Next size is 12 inches. Mostly American brands are in 11 inches. It's like this in different colors. There are some balloons with a tail called link balloon. I'm going to show its uses later. There is a type of balloon known as 260 as it's about 2 inches in diameter and 60 inches long. There are also printed latex balloons with different sizes and patterns. About the sizes of balloons, we have 16 inches balloons, 24 inches balloons, and the 3 feet balloons. We are going to tell you where to use these sizes later. There is also another type of balloon with different sizes called bubble balloons. They are clear. There are also foil balloons with various shapes. You can get them according to the theme of parties. We mostly use ribbons for helium balloons. They are in different colors and sizes. We use a ring as a balloon weight. We should tie it to the end of the ribbon. You can also get balloon weights in different shapes, or you can make one on your own. We use high flat for helium balloons. Drop of high float forms a coating inside latex balloons that greatly reduces helium or air loss and makes it last longer. All of these balloon kits that I introduced to you, they were just a tip of the iceberg in a balloon decoration. As I said, we have a wide variety of balloons and kits. The most basic kits are these stuffs. To start balloon decoration, these kits would be enough.